channel. My name is Bliss and I'm back with another hair video. As I stated in my previous video, I received 3 bundles and 1 frontal. The 3 bundles are deep wave 30 inches and I received a 20-inch frontal deep wave. You forgot, the hair was all provided by Impromptu. Alright, so let's get into this. To what the stylist said when she first saw this hair. When she first saw it, she was like, oh my gosh, where'd you get it from? This hair is so beautiful. I can't wait to put this in your head. I can't wait to see the result. It's gonna look bomb. Like, she was just raving. So while she was installing it, I was asking her questions as far as like when she combed through it, and as she was putting it in, did she see any shedding or anything? She saw no shedding. Rubbed her fingers through it, kept saying how soft it was, how good it felt, and just loved it. And I love it too. Oh my God. Y'all, I mean, I said this hair was soft in the previous video and it's still so soft. I love it. Like, I can't stop putting my fingers through it. Like, it feels so good. Like, I'm not even being dramatic. I can be a little dramatic sometimes, but no, I'm being so serious, y'all. When I tell you, this is some nice hair. Like, fingers going just straight through it. No nagging. Fingers aren't getting stuck. It's literally going straight through. Straight through. Make sure you stay tuned because I'll be doing an updated review on this hair. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.